All right, we're going to figure this video thing out. I'm going to keep making these videos and get better 1% each time. Leave the tips and everything that can help me make better quality videos. The big thing here is that I love Retell AI. For those of you who do not know what Retell AI is, it is a voice AI agent you can create and have people call a telephone number to talk to the voices. So as an example, if you work, let's just say, if you work at a dentist office and people call after hours, they might call on days that are closed or during busy times, the admin at the desk cannot pick up the phone. These voice AI agents do is that they're able to go ahead and basically answer the calls of people calling in. So as an example, if you had somebody calling in who wanted to know when availability was, the AI agent will be able to tell them when availability is and then book an appointment or book some time for them to come in, or even put it on hold and have somebody give them a call back at the earliest convenience for lead generation and whatnot. Or if they're calling in asking which services you have the information in voice AI agents to answer any questions regarding your business. It's helping your admin focus on connecting with the humans in front of her rather than having the phone every time somebody calls. So that's why we have this here. As you can see, if you've seen any of my last videos, one of the videos, I went over Retell AI, kind of gave you guys a brief breakdown as to, how you can go ahead and build these agents. When you sign up, you have 60 minutes that you're able to use. You're able to see some of their templates, demos. I have another video that explains that. The big thing I wanted to go over is the new feature with analytics. The reason this is important, and obviously it's a new feature, because now it's going to go and give you a visualized breakdown as to what your agent is doing. Before, we did have the ability to go ahead and see the history. We could still always do the customizable list, but we weren't able to really go ahead and just take a look as to basically seeing what our agent was doing. We would have to come in here. Again, we could still do this, and then we'd have to go ahead and see whether it's a successful call, who hung up. You can see the summary call logs. Now with analytics, you see at a high level what was going on, right? So you have the ability to see that there was 10 calls were done, 51 seconds duration from February 10th to 17th, February 3rd, 4 calls, February 10th, 2 calls, 4 calls equal 10. You're able to see the call count. You're able to see successful and unsuccessful calls, 6 successful calls, 4 successful calls, right? And then you're able to go ahead and see the reason for disconnect. You can say the user hung up. In most cases, when I'm doing the demo, that's the case. And then the agent hung up, and you can go ahead and see exactly, hey, was this an error? But you have the ability to see that information here. Obviously, you don't have any incoming, outgoing agents as of right now. This is the big game changer because now you get to see all of this. You're able to understand which agent has the most successful calls. If you don't like something, you have the ability to go ahead and edit, and then you can move things around or even delete. You have the ability to hit done right there. It's obviously going to save. If you say you're missing something, you have the ability to come over here and add. And then with this, you have the ability to basically make any type of custom chart at the date range as to what you're looking for. And then have the ability to create this as custom as you would like. And then obviously we have filters. We can go by agent and see how long each has been on there. You can go by all time or the last 4 weeks. This is a game changer is because this was not here before. Before you would have to go to a third party like chat-.com and see some analytics. While I do that chat-.com has a lot of insight that handles the management of the clients well. When building an AI agent for a company, sometimes you want to hang on to the agent and render its services. But what I've been seeing is a lot of success is that you're able to give this to a business owner. If this is a bigger business and they want to be able to go ahead and, pay the subscription, awesome. But if this is a smaller business and they don't necessarily need to have you handhold them or you need to be on retainer, build this out, charge your fee and give them the username and password so they can log in. It goes a long way because in the future, you're able to get more work out of them. You're sharing the sauce and giving them the opportunity to say, hey, either I want you on retainer, I want this as a subscription, or thanks for giving me the software or the tool or teaching me how to use this tool. I'll take this and give you a call if I need anything else. This is probably a game changer. I like that you're able to see the analytics all on one screen. For Retell AI, being able to keep building on this is great. I don't think that this is missing anything right now, but if you think that it's missing something, leave something in the comments below. The big thing that I'm seeing here is that the analytics is going to be powerful for people who like seeing their data and being able to go ahead and make sure that you are understanding instead of going here to call history and kind of having to figure everything out right here. You're able to come now to analytics and see everything in real time. You can see right here, you could always change the type of chart that you're looking at. But other than that, that is my spiel. Retell AI is, for me, for small businesses, I think this is a win-win solution. So if you do have a small business and you want somebody to set this up for you, you can reach out. I think that my email address is going to be when you hit contact me. And then what we can do is we can talk about how we can build something like this out for you, or just train you how to use it. Thank you again for watching my video. I am going to keep getting better at making these videos, one video at a time. Talk to you later.